Hello everyone, welcome in Crafting Wheel channel. Today I will show you how to make a crochet bow. And I hope to admire you. I will use Stylecraft Special DK yarn and hook number 3mm. I will start with round 1. I'll make a slip knot as shown now. Then I'll make 21 chains. Like that. Then I will start with round 2. I make a chain, then make single crochet into every stitch across row as shown now. Continue with a cross row. Then I will start with round 3. I will repeat round 2 and I will continue repeating the same sequences across 18 rows. I make single crochet into every stitch across row and repeat for 18 rounds. I finished round 3 now and I will continue until I arrive round 18. I finished round 18 with that shape as shown now. Then I will make a border. I make a chain, then turn your work and make 2 single crochet into first stitch as shown now. Then I'll make 2 chains, then make 2 single crochet again into same stitch, as shown now. Then I will skip 2 stitches and repeat again. Make 2 single crochet into that stitch, then make 2 chains and make 2 single crochet again into same stitch as shown now. Then continue repeating with same sequences across row with same border for other 3 sides of that motif. Skip 2 stitches and repeating with same sequences. So I will make 2 single crochet into that stitch and make 2 chains and make 2 single crochet again into that stitch, into same stitch and continue across that row. Then continue with same sequences for other 3 sides of that motif. Then cut and fasten off. I finished the border for that motif for the 4 sides of that motif, and cut and fasten off. As shown now. With that shape. Then I will gather bow by wrapping some same color yarn around center tightly to cinch together, as shown now. With that shape. To make that bow, tie loose ends together at the back to secure. I'm wrapping some same color yarn around the center tightly so cinch together, as shown now. Then tie loose ends together at the back to secure. Then cut and fasten off and tie the yarn as shown now. And finishing, weave in and trim off any other loose ends. As shown now. Now I finished the bow. Thanks for watching, and if you have any question, don't hesitate to ask me and I will reply you as soon as possible. Thanks for you.